What's up guys, this is John and I'm back again for another tutorial on Roblox Driving Empire. So if you don't have a car like this, you can use any car that is rear wheel drive. So that means the only wheels that are spinning from the power of the engine is on the rear wheel, not all wheel drive and not front wheel drive. So yeah, so let's head to the modification area or the customization, because I don't have the game pass for the customization. So the only thing that you need is the radio game pass to make the drifting sound more realistic, and then the modification that we pick here is gonna be simple. So performance wise, the suspension is lowered. Upgrade, you can use stock, but mine is in drag engine. Aspiration, I'm on twin turbo, but let's pick on turbocharge. This turbocharge is much better and the sound is much realistic. So the brakes, I'm using Aries brakes, and for tires I'm using slippery tires. And then for drivetrain we're gonna be using, this is more important because we're gonna use a rear wheel drive. My boost is, you can use stock, but I'm on premium boost, so I think that's all. So let's head there, and I will be putting on the description the ID of the sound, more realistic, as you can see. Wait, first stop, press R, press this 1, 2, play. Then the only downside is you can't just stop the sound, so you need to cover up the sound with just changing a car, as you can see. Let's try it again with people here. You can see? It's more realistic, man. Oh, I got the Bugatti 200 plus. I have that. You can see? Yeah. There's not a lot of people here. The sad thing about this is they can't see the smoke. And you should avoid that part, because it would lose the immersion of the sound. Sorry, I read to some chat. So I think that's all for the tutorial of the pops and bangs on Driving Empire, and I'll be tuning more about Driving Empire and making more videos about it. And yeah, I'll be doing last one. Supra gang, Supra gang. Let's go loop on this guy. Yeah, that's all. So I'm having fun. So please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and I will be doing some Super Gang. And don't forget to join on my Discord server for more videos and tips and tricks, and maybe let's meet up and do some car meets with the Super Gang. This is John signing out. Peace.